This is day 69 of GCode updates every day until the whole world can type at the speed of thought. Today I finished the program for the Master's Forge exoskeletons, so I'm going to show you the code. Most of the exoskeletons I've showed you guys are made out of carbon fiber reinforced PLA, which is great, but we want to make some of these out of metal. And we've already done some test exoskeletons and test bends just to make sure that we have the depth of every cut perfect and we get a nice crisp seam on every one. This is what the entirety of the program looks like. If you're not familiar with GCode, basically every CNC machine runs on this. This program is 67,000 lines of code. Of course, I don't write every single line of code. Basically, one line of code is mostly is a series of coordinates just to tell the machine and the cutting tool where to go and how fast to go there. The program used to generate all these lines of code is called a CAM software. Most people have heard of CAD, computer-aided design, but fewer people have heard of CAM. More now. If you know somebody that has a hobbyist 3D printer, then they probably use a software called Cura, which is like the most basic, simple form of CAM that's out there. But essentially this helps you to visualize all the different tool paths on my CNC routing machine. The blue lines are the cutting paths, and they're layered. It's hard to see all the layers until you zoom in, but every single one of these layers is one pass per operation, and then these white lines are the jogging paths where the machine is moving the cutting tool around to different parts in order to access different parts of the design. We also made this custom HTPE spoil board today, and we leveled it using the surfacing bit on the machine. It's really important that these scores are the exact depth that you want. If it's too thick, it could be hard to bend, or the tension on the other side of this aluminum alloy can actually bust open. And then obviously you don't want it to have too thin of a score either, or then it can be like a film rather than being something substantial that you can actually bend around. Everything's loaded up, so first thing tomorrow we're going to cut some metal.